In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check recently sold items on eBay so you can see what similar products actually sold for and how recently those sales happened. To get started, head to eBay and use the search bar at the top of the page to enter the item you want to research. Try to be specific with the item name, model, brand, or condition, since that will give you more relevant results. Run the search and wait for the results page to load. Once you can see the listings, look over to the filter panel on the left. Scroll down until you find the section called Show Only. This is where you can narrow the results based on listing status. Quick side note, for more practical eBay tutorials like this, subscribe to Ecom Control. Under Show Only, check the box for sold items. eBay will refresh the results and display listings that have successfully sold rather than items that are still available. If you also want to compare unsuccessful listings, you can select completed items. This includes listings that ended without selling, which can be useful for understanding whether certain prices or product variations are less likely to sell. Now review the sold listings. You'll be able to see the selling prices and how recently each item sold, helping you estimate current market value and demand for the item you're researching. And that's it. You've successfully checked recently sold items on eBay.